Adventure in Alphabet Land. One morning, little Muna woke up and found herself in a strange magical place. It was called Alphabet Land. Everything looked funny. The trees were shaped like A, the river curved like an S, and birds were singing the letter Z. Suddenly, a cheerful elephant came forward and said, "Hello, I'm not just an elephant for E, I'm an Applephant, because here, everything runs with the alphabet." Muna was amazed. "How is that possible?" she asked. Applephant smiled and said, "Come on, let me introduce you to everyone." They started walking and met B for Balloon Bear, who was dancing in the air with colorful balloons. "I'm Muna. I'm not just a bear, I'm Balloon Bear. I fly with balloons." Then they saw C for Cake, Cat, a cat happily eating cake. D for Drum Dog, a dog drumming and dancing. One by one, Muna met all the alphabet creatures from E to Z. Finally, she met Z for Zooming Zebra, who arrived in a rocket and said, "Z is for Zooming Zebra, and I'll take you back home." As Muna rode the rocket, she laughed and said, "Today's silly adventure helped me learn the alphabet in the most fun way ever."